Welcome, guys, to Hunter Bot webinar. So just make sure everyone is here now. Just give me a minute. I was on the screen. Yeah, just give me a minute, and then you can get started. All right, just give me a minute. So I'm so excited actually for this webinar today to show you this bot. Actually, this one of the finest bot we actually create, and I'm so excited to show you how this bot works, how we can get benefit from it, because this bot is actually a game changing. I've been working this bot for almost like 9 months now for the idea of it. And I was actually hesitant of make it public because not because I don't want to make benefit of it, but when you have an edge and this edge starting to, everyone using it, you're gonna start losing the edge. That's why I was just want to say I'm not gonna give this bot to everyone, ask for it, even if it pay more than I need, because I want to keep the edge. So let's get started. Thumbs up. There we go. So now we're going to talk this again. I'm not going to take a long time, maybe 10, 15 minutes max, and then I'll let you go. So this bot is called Hunter Bot. So the Hunter Bot, the idea of this bot is to catch the trend before it happened. The problem for any trend trader or even reversal trader, they always catch the trend in the middle or the end, because everyone is moving. When everyone is moving, by the way, just let you know, when the trend happened, by using any indicator, you can imagine whatever indicator you use, shows you when the trend can happen, it's already late. It's already in the middle or the end. That's why when you see a market moving, oh, market's trending now up, let's go. And you go up and then finally, like maybe a few ticks, and then start reversing. This is the goal here. And it's going to reverse for a little bit and then pull back again. So I was thinking about this idea of this bot of what if somehow I find a way to find the beginning of the trend, and I'm not gonna jump just because the trend started. I'm gonna wait for the pullback, and with a lot of indicators, with a lot of using AI as well to show me this trend is gonna continue. Then I will jump. So yes, I will jump with the trend, but I will wait for a pullback, small pullback, and then I can jump in a trend. This is the idea. That's why it's called Hunter, because this bot is like actually hunting. It's very patient. So even a market start trending, it's not gonna jump. It's just wait for a pullback, wait for the confirmation. Market gonna continue the trend, and then it will jump immediately. This bot has impressive result for the month of July. I'm saying impressive. This bot made over $8,000 in July with drawdown. I would say around $2,000. So it's very perfect for 100K accounts. If you're doing 100K account, it's gonna be perfect with this too. So you can actually pass the account in I would say in 2 weeks, 3 weeks maximum. You can actually pass the account less than a month. So this is a bot Hunter. So it's very simple bot, and this bot gonna require ATM strategy. So if you guys using any of my bots before, some bot I use are using ATM strategy. So this bot, it doesn't use built-in profit and stop loss. It's using built-in ATM strategy. So we will provide you the ATM strategy. So the ATM strategy for this bot is called NQ Hunter 800, which is very simple ATM, which is this one. It's very simple. 2 contract, first contract 40, and the stop loss 80. Very simple. There is no trailing stop. There is nothing. So the idea of this bot is to catch the first trade, which is going to be 40 ticks for one contract, which means 200, and then which means for the first trade is $400. So this bot going to trade two trades. If the two trades are winning, which is $800, it will stop taking trades. That's it. And if the two trades are losing, if the first trade are losing, which means the max loss, which is $800, so the bot will stop trading. So basically, this bot, the max loss per day is $800. Sometimes it's gonna go like up to 900, depending on the volatility, but max is gonna be $800, and the max profit 800 and above. Could sometimes go to 1,000, but most likely it's 800. So the idea is, I don't want to make the daily loss is bigger than the daily profit. I'll make it equal. So because this bot is very, very accurate. So even if we have, I think in month of July, we have like 3 losing days. So 3 losing days and 20 winning days, that's a huge amount, right? That's the idea. So it's a very simple. So this bot I will show you. If you go to right click and go to properties, you should see we have quant min, we have a strength. All this template, you should have it. You should have a template in your members area called Hunter 800. This is going to be the template. You should see everything the same here. If I take a screenshot, all you need to change, and this is going to be the start time, which is going to be this my Pacific time, 6:30 a.m. So if you are Eastern, it's going to be 9:30. If you are Central, 8:30, whatever. So this is the market open. This is 1 p.m. Pacific, which is 4 p.m. Eastern. So you gotta keep everything the same. The only thing you need to change every day after the market close is the minimum account balance and the maximum account balance. That's the only thing. It's like a 1 minute every day. You need to change it. So the maximum account balance is always gonna be the current account balance plus $700, which means the market goes 700. I didn't make it 800 because sometimes we have market go like $800 and then pull back for $5-6, and then your profit's gonna be $795. So if I make this $800, the bot will still take trades if the profit is $795, which is I don't want. That's why I make it $700. So 100, 700, and I would say the minimum account balance is gonna be the current account balance minus 800. So max account balance is gonna be the current account balance plus 700 minus, and the minimum is going to be the current account balance minus 800, whatever the account balance is. So let's say you take the first trade, the first day, and you make $800, and you're trading 100K. So your account balance now is 100 and $800, like this. This is your first day. So when you edit the strategy, your maximum account balance with this one is going to be this number plus 700. So it's going to be 1115. So 1 second. What I'm doing here? What I am doing? So 100, this one, plus 700. So 1,100 and 101,500. This is going to be your max account balance. And for the minimum account balance, it's going to be 800 minus 800. So your minimum account balance is going to be $100, and so on. So every day after the market close, you're going to go edit the strategy, edit the max account balance, minimum account balance, and enable it from here and let it run. You don't need to add it to the chart. You need to do anything. So you need to go to strategy tab and enable it. So the way to install this is very simple. You're going to go to members area. You should see 3 files. You should see the first file is called Hunter zip.zip, which is this is the main bot. So you're going to go to tools, import, and then you're going to go Ninja script add-on, and you're going to pick the Hunter zip, and you're going to just press yes, yes, yes until you have it. Once you have it, you're going to come here in the strategy tab. In the strategy tab here, and then right click, new strategy, and you're going to pick the Hunter. For the first time, go to Hunter here and click on template and click load. You're not gonna see anything here. The reason you click load, because when you click load, you create the folder for the template for the bot. So when you click load, you cancel, and then you're gonna go in your members area. You should see ATM strategy, and you should see the template. Both are zip files. So for the template, you're gonna double click it, and you're gonna copy the XML file inside, which is template, and you're gonna go to your document, Ninja Trader 8, and you're gonna go to strategy template, and you're gonna go to strategy. Why is doing this? Going to strategy, and then you're gonna pick Hunter, and you're gonna paste. You gotta copy and paste this file here. It's called Hunter 800 XML. Once you've done this, you're gonna go to your members area again. You should see a file called ATM. Unzip this file and copy it, and then go to document again, and go to NinjaTrader 8, and go to templates, and go to ATM strategy, and paste this file here. Should see it's called NQ Hunter 800. Paste it here. Once you paste it, when you open your chart, when you open like this, you should see it. You should see it listed here. NQ 880, or you need to go edit, and you get to go save as template, and you're gonna copy this name, copy it, and then you're gonna go back again to the strategy tab, right click, new strategy, add the hunter, and you're gonna load the template you already copy pasted, and see if you have the name here, that's good. If you don't have it, just paste it, and make sure your minimum account balance, maximum account balance, matching your account size, whatever you're trading. Make sure your time frame is good. Market open, market close, which can be like 4 p.m. Eastern. And that's your job. And also pick the account you want to trade. You want to trade 100K, Epics, whatever you want to trade. Pick it, press OK, and enable it. And after the market close, you're going to come here, disable the strategy, edit, right click, edit, and then you're gonna go here, change these parameters, the minimum, the maximum. The maximum be current account balance plus 700, minimum gonna be a current account balance plus minus 800. And that's it. That's actually, so this bot is like 1 minute job today. 1 minute, just 1 minute. And if I prefer, if you don't have a VPS, buy a VPS, it's worth it. If you have a computer that's running the whole day, that's fine. But if you don't have, buy a VPS, run this bot on it, just log in every day after market close, change the parameters, and let it go. This bot will pass your 100K account guarantee in the first month. So this bot's gonna be $495 for 6 months. This bot's different. It's not gonna be lifetime access or anything like that. It's not. Just to let you know, it's $495 every 6 months. But as you can cancel anytime. And if you don't pass this account, money back guarantee. That's how trusted and faith I have in this bot. So it's $495. It's gonna be a link below this video. Just grab your version and install it. It's gonna take like 5 minutes of installation. Grab your VPS, run it. And I want to hear someone send me a message. One day after the bot had one losing day today. I don't care. It's gonna have a losing day for sure. Maybe 1, 2, 3. I don't care. But show me your result within a month. Let it run for a month. Do not touch it. Just go every day, change the parameters, minimum account balance, and leave it for the whole 20 trading days. And then show me the result after that. If you don't pass the account, show me. I will refund your money because I know you'll pass. And please, one more thing. Don't get excited for the first week. Let's say the bot make you like $4,000 the first week and you get excited. You know what? I'm gonna go buy another 10 accounts. Don't do that. And by the way, if you wanna add 10 different bots in a sim, you can actually 10 different, and each one has a different account. You can do that. That's fine. But don't do that in the beginning. Don't do that in the beginning. Just buy one account, pass it, and trade it on the P account and make money from this bot. And then take this money and buy whatever account you want to buy. On 10, 5, 20, it doesn't matter. You can actually add 100 bots here. It doesn't matter. But do not invest too much money in the beginning. Just invest in the bot, VPS if you can, and one account only. And I prefer $100K because it's easy to pass. It's not gonna take time. Maybe like within the first 2-3 weeks you will pass it. Maybe a month maximum, and that should be it. Right? And this bot also has a videos inside. I'm gonna show you how to this, which is this video is here already. It's not gonna be hard to do it. And this video also gonna be the members area. If you need any help, send us an email and we will do one-to-one session, like white gloves. But please don't waste my time and yours. It's very simple. Like seriously, if you have a serious problem, let me know. But it is very simple. It's like 5-minute installation. Right? That's it, guys. I'm so excited to share this with you. And if you are with me in trading room, I would love to share. You guys share with me the profit. Share with me what's your result. I already got some because I already have a beta version. Some people actually trade this bot for the last 2 months, and the sharing the profit, it's amazing, guys. So please, when you got your version and you start making profit, share with me this profit. And also one more thing, we have only the template for NQ, 1 minute time frame. So we're gonna have a lot of templates coming for ES, for crude oil, a lot of templates coming. But now we're gonna stick with the NQ, and then we are working to add another templates for ES, for crude oil, for a lot of markets. And that's it, guys. All right. See you all soon. And if you are trading room, see you there.